Hi everyone, in this tutorial video, we shall be looking at algebraic processes 2. Specifically, we'll be looking at equations with fractions. So how do we solve equations with fractions? We are going to be using questions to explain to us and to also expose us to different ways by which we can tackle questions regarding this particular topic. Alright, before us now is question 1. And the examiner asks us to solve this equation. In other words, the examiner is asking for a specific value of x. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's just get down to this. We have 7 into x plus 4 negative 2 into x minus 3 into 5 plus x, close the rectangular bracket, which is also equals to 2 over 3 into x minus 6. Alright, just like what I said in our previous video, I told us that whenever you have an expression like this, you focus on the expression inside the rectangular bracket first. Try and simplify that before you use the one outside this rectangular bracket. So it's important for us to quickly simplify what we have in here before we start looking at the outside expression. So when we do that, we are going to have, of course, we can just open this, remove this bracket. We are going to have 7x plus 28. So we can just wait a little while we tackle what we have in here. This is going to give us negative 15 and also negative 3x. Alright, so we have this to be 2 over 3 into x minus 6. So when we do that properly, we are going to have x plus 2, 8. Now, we have to remove this rectangular bracket by using this negative 2 to multiply every expression inside it. So we are going to have negative 2x positive 30 and also positive 6x is equal to, this is the same thing as saying 2 into x minus 6 divided by 3. This can also be said to be over 1. All of them, you can make it that way. Alright, so what do? We collect the like terms at this numerator. So we have 7x, we have negative 2x, we have positive 6x. Alright, so then we have positive 28 and also positive 30 divided by 1. And on this side, on my right hand side, we are going to use this 2 to also remove this bracket. We are going to have 2x minus 12 divided by 3. So let's simplify what we have here. This is 7x minus 2x. That's going to give us 5x. 5x plus 6x is going to give us 11x. And this is going to give us 58 over 1. Which is equals to 2x minus 12 divided by 3. Alright, so what do? We simply cross multiply. When we do that, we are going to have 3 into 11x plus 58, which is going to give us 2x minus 12. Alright, so when we do this, we are going to have, let me just create a space. Alright, so when we do this, we are going to have this 3 also is going to open this bracket. We are going to remove that bracket. So when you do that, we are going to have 33x plus, this is 174, which equals to 2x minus 12. So that's what we are going to have. We are going to have 174. How did I get that? This is 58 multiplied by 3. This is 4. That's 2. This is 15 plus 2. That's 7. Okay, so this is how we got this. Then what do we do next? We simply collect like terms. When we collect the like terms, right, we are going to have 33x minus 2x is going to give us minus 12 minus 174. When you do this, you are going to have, this is 31x, which is equals to, we add 12 to this. In this case, we have negative 12, negative 174. You are owing 174, you are still owing 12. So the total debt is going to be the addition of the two, so that we can know this is going to give us 681. So we are going to have 186. All right, negative, because it's still going to be an outstanding you have to pay. In fact, you have not paid anything, so you are going to still carry negative. So when you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, in this case, which is 31, you are going to have 31x divided by 31 is equals to negative 186 divided by 31. All right, so when we do that, we are going to have 31 to cross, is going to cancel. So this, of course, is going to take care of this. And 31 here is 1. How many 31 in this is going to give us 6? So x is equals to negative 6. And that is our final answer. Alright, so let's look at another question as we proceed further. This is another question. In this question, we have to solve x over 5 plus 1 whole number 1 over 2x plus 11 over 20 is equals to 5x plus 1 over 4. Alright, so let's quickly just get down to this. So we have x over 5. Of course, this is something as saying 3 over 2. 3 over 2x plus we have 11 over 20, which is equals to 5x plus 1 over 4. Alright, so let's just simplify further. We have x over 5 plus, this is going to give us 3x over 2. Alright, and we have plus 11 over 20 is equals to 5x plus 1 over 4. Alright, so let's collect the like terms here. I mean the LCM. Let's find the LCM on this side. The LCM, of course, is going to be 20. Now, 20 divided by 5 is going to give us 4 times x, that's 4x. 20 divided by 2 is going to give us 10. 10 times 3x is going to give us 30x. That's 30x. Then plus 11. Of course, 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Is equals to 5x plus 1 over 4. Alright, let's just simplify this numerator here. We are going to have 34. That's 4x plus 30x. That's give us 34 plus 11 divided by 20 is equals to 5x plus 1 over 4. So what do? We simply cross multiply. When we do that, 4 is going to multiply this. So we have 4 into 34x plus 11 is equals to 20 is going to multiply this, and so we have 20 into 5x plus 1. Alright, so what do? We simply remove these brackets. We remove the bracket very quickly. Let's quickly do that. As we proceed further, we are going to have 34 multiplied by 4. That's 136. So I'm having 136x plus 44. Alright, it's going to give us 20 times 5. That's 100x. And plus 20. Alright, so collect like terms. Just create a space here. So if I collect like terms, I'm going to have, if you collect the like terms, okay, I'm going to have 136x negative 100x, which is equal to 20 negative 44. All right, when you do this, you are going to have 36x is equals to negative now. All right, so when you take this, you are going to have negative 24. Okay, so what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So we have 36x divided by 36 is equals to negative 24 divided by 36. So this takes care of this. So let's see. 4 here. Okay, let's try 2 first. 2 is 12. 2 in this here is 18. So 2 can still go. 2 here is 9. 2 here is 6. You see, 3 can still go. 3 here is 2. 3 here is 3. All right. So we have x is equals to 2 over 3 negative. Don't forget this negative sign that was there. So finally, we have x to be equals to negative 2 over 3 as our final answer. All right. I believe this solution is clear. I believe we also enjoyed it. All right, so we are still going to look at some couple of questions so that we can have a better understanding. So please, let's go to the next question very quickly. Thanks for your patience.